Hello darlings and welcome back to another episode of the Talk of Fashion with me, Michele Zeni. Today's video is going to be a do-yourself mask to prevent you contracting coronavirus and spread the bacteria around. I just want to point out that this is a temporary mask. It's something that doesn't substitute a proper mask that you can buy in a pharmacy, and it's something that you absolutely must combine with disposable gloves, because as WHO said, you must combine the two, otherwise there is no point in wearing a mask if you don't wear any gloves. Remember, it's extremely important that once you go back home, once you go back inside, you throw away the gloves and the part of the mask that you don't use in order to get rid of the bacteria. But let's jump into it. With products that you have at home, I'm going to show you cost zero how to create a temporary mask that will help you to prevent and spread the bacteria of coronavirus that is around right now. So here are the steps.